Kinfolk, man, I text you. What you calling me back for? I'm on the clock. Anyway, man, did you ever see what old girl was talking about? Yes, that one, yes. Man, I'm trying to get that, man. See what's up with her. God damn, man, I wonder what's taking that nigga so long in there, man. Bro must be in there taking a shit or something, man. I've been out here for a minute waiting on this nigga. Man, look, dog, just come on outside so I can handle my business. Gone by my day. It's Monday, man. Free egg rolls on Chinese Day, man. Come on, dude. God damn, Kinfolk, I'm telling you, this nigga still ain't brought his ass out this house, man. This is some bullshit, man. Now I'm getting really annoyed, man. Fuck this shit, dog. Hold on. Yeah. Blast that ass. Yeah. Now back to the bitches, man. You gonna get that bitch my number or what, man?
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
About a dozen downtown businesses were boarded up.
You have one voice message.
Wait, oh my god, they're attacking. They're attacking. You need to get out the house. Run! Run!
It's white noise.
Wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up. Wake up.